Hi, welcome to LB0FI India Norwegian Ham Ventures. I'm Morten, LB0FI India, and I got a new portable radio for my POTA and other portable operations. The Icom 706 mkIIg. And what's a radio if you don't have a kit for it? Well, it's not much of a radio. So let's take a look on how I've packed my kit. So this is the bag here. Let's take a look on what's on the inside of this kit. We'll start with the outer pocket here. Not a lot in here. We got a power supply for my Microsoft Surface Go. And this Zoom H1N recorder, which doubles as a sound card. And you'll soon enough see the reason why I have a sound card in here. Let's open the main compartment here and see. In here I got a couple of things. I got the LDG Z100 Plus tuner here in case I need a tuner, because the 706 mkIIg does not have a built-in tuner. Also, for digimodes, I have this CG antenna SB2000 interface. I've never seen one of those digimode interfaces before, but I've tested it. It works fine. The thing is though, there is no built-in sound card, only analog sound in and out, so you need a sound card, and that's why I have the Zoom recorder in there. Further on, before we get to the radio, I have a power cable, and as you can see, it's just connected with a couple of Wagos here because, well, I'm out of power pole connectors. I got a power cable for the tuner, and I have the microphone for the radio up here. Then on the bottom here is the 706 mkIIg. And there's one more thing in the kit here. And that is all the cables I need for the radio, the tuner, the interface, and everything. I got the USB cable for the interface, a couple of audio cables for audio in and out between the radio and the digimode interface. Got a USB cable for the Zoom recorder in order for it to work as a sound card. And I got this big bundle of cables to connect the interface to the radio. And I actually lied a little bit when I said that was all, because in the back pocket here, I have my Surface Go. And that's about it. What do you think about this kit? Is this the way you do it? Would you do it another way? Just let me know down in the comments. And also, while you're at it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you want to support the channel a little bit more, there's some more information down below. I'm Morten, LB0FI India. You're watching LB0FI India Norwegian Ham Ventures. And until next time, 7-3.